Deep within the shadowy depths of our oceans, a bizarre and intimate dance unfolds. A dance where the bodies become one, where the male sacrifices everything to ensure the reproductive success of the female. It's a story of love, sacrifice, and an extraordinary adaptation that has left scientists baffled. In the perpetual darkness of the deep sea, where sunlight cannot penetrate and mysterious creatures thrive, there exists a unique group of fishes known as anglerfish. These fascinating fish are renowned for their peculiar appearance, most notably the lure they possess, a modified dorsal fin ray tip with a glowing esca that dangles enticingly before their mouths. This intimate biological merger not only raises fascinating questions about evolution and adaptation. What compels these male anglerfish to make such a drastic commitment? And what are the profound implications of this intimate biological merger? But also takes us into a world where the boundaries of individuality and relationships are truly put to the test. Her immune cells would ordinarily identify him as a foreign invader and initiate a swift and powerful attack. However, the male has evolved ingenious mechanisms to evade detection, ensuring that his body remains accepted rather than rejected. This precise bite and subsequent tissue dissolution are crucial for establishing a stable connection that will facilitate the eventual merging of their bodies. This bioluminescent appendage serves as both a hunting tool to attract unsuspecting prey and a navigational aid to help them find their way in the pitch-black depths. But the anglerfish are also famous for another peculiar reason, a strange reproductive strategy that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. His spine and ribcage cease to define his individual form and become integrated into the female's own skeletal structure, forming a chimeric composite. Remarkably, nerve fibers extend from the male's brain to the female's central nervous system, establishing direct communication between them. For instance, when the ocean temperature rises, the male and female anglerfish can alter their metabolic rates accordingly, allowing them to thrive in fluctuating environments. For example, when temperatures increase, the male anglerfish may adjust his position on the female's body to maximize the transfer of sperm. Similarly, the female may modify her reproductive output based on temperature fluctuations, ensuring that offspring have the best possible start to life. In the depths of the ocean where they reside, oxygen levels can fluctuate significantly, posing challenges to their survival. This adaptation helps them cope with reduced oxygen availability, ensuring their continued survival. However, the anglerfish have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in such conditions. This remarkable plasticity highlights the adaptability and resilience of their unique relationship. He forsakes his former self, embracing a new existence defined solely by his connection to the female. This intricate neural connection allows the male to perceive sensations and respond to stimuli detected by the female's highly developed sensory organs. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we are sure to uncover even more secrets of these extraordinary creatures and the intimate bonds they share. His spine and ribcage, once integral to his body plan, are incorporated into the female's framework, blurring the boundaries between them. His existence becomes intricately linked to the female's, and the concept of individuality takes on a new meaning. Consequently, the female also gains the ability to sense and respond to stimuli once exclusive to the male, creating a unified organism with distributed processing capabilities. His own senses recede into the background, becoming subservient to her perception of the world. As he persists in his embrace, his body releases chemical signals that gradually disarm the female's defenses, transforming a potential battle into an extraordinary partnership. Yet the male has evolved ingenious mechanisms to evade detection, ensuring his own survival and the continuation of their shared existence. His fins, once aids in navigation and hunting, start to disappear along with his distinctive lure, a testament to the radical changes required for their intimate bond. It is a testament to the power of adaptation, the depths of sacrifice, and the intricate beauty of the natural world. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. What initially seems like a simple act of predation evolves into a profound biological journey. The male surrenders his individuality, embracing a new existence defined solely by his connection to the female. The male's grip tightens, enzymes are released, and tissues begin to break down, setting in motion a series of events that defy conventional notions of individuality and sacrifice. The male anglerfish, driven by instinct and the allure of reproductive success, commits to a journey that transforms him completely. As the male's body undergoes a remarkable transformation, He surrenders his individuality to become an integral part of the female's being. The pursuit leads him to an intimate encounter, a fateful moment when the boundaries of individuality are challenged, and the very essence of sacrifice is redefined. His existence becomes intertwined with hers, prioritizing her reproductive success above all else. They become fused to the female's body wall, anchoring him securely in place and creating a permanent structural connection that defies separation. A complex and delicate dance of cellular integration ensues, resulting in the formation of shared blood vessels that weave together, creating a unified circulatory system. The circulatory system facilitates the exchange of vital substances like hormones, enabling coordinated physiological responses. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating a wide range of processes, including reproduction, metabolism, and growth. In the context of temperature changes, these systems work in harmony to maintain optimal internal conditions despite external fluctuations. Through this intricate process, the male's blood merges with the female's, enabling them to exchange vital nutrients and oxygen, effectively becoming metabolically interdependent. They can measure only a few centimeters in length, dwarfed by the females, who can grow up to 60 centimeters long. This significant adaptation underscores the intimate and profound nature of their biological union. Meanwhile, the male's eyes, once essential for locating the female, begin to degenerate, with the male's identity becoming more closely tied to his role as a permanent reproductive appendage. This dramatic sexual dimorphism hints at the extraordinary changes that await. The male anglerfish exhibits one of nature's most astonishing adaptations, a permanent fusion with the female. This remarkable process, known as sexual parasitism, has long been a source of fascination for marine biologists and evolutionary researchers. In the dark depths of the ocean, male anglerfish are significantly smaller than their female counterparts. As the male anglerfish matures, it undergoes a series of physiological and behavioral transformations, driven by its heightened sense of smell. This keen olfactory ability enables them to detect the presence of females from a considerable distance. Once they sense the alluring pheromones of a potential partner, the males embark on a quest to locate her amidst the vast expanse of the ocean. When a young male locates a suitable female, he initiates the fusion process with a firm bite on her body, usually on the belly or sides. Once the initial bond is formed, the male anglerfish faces a daunting challenge, suppressing the female's robust immune system. As the male persists in his embrace, his and the female's tissues begin to break down the barriers separating them. Remarkably, the male's digestive system atrophies as the fusion progresses, rendering it increasingly reliant on the female for nourishment. As the male's physical changes continue, other aspects of his body undergo dramatic transformations. Throughout this intricate process, the male anglerfish's jaws play a pivotal role. In this extraordinary journey, the male's skeleton undergoes a remarkable reorganization. Particularly fascinating is the interaction between the nervous systems of the male and female anglerfish. Moreover, the anglerfish exhibit a remarkable ability to adapt to changing conditions, ensuring their survival in the face of environmental challenges. However, the anglerfish's ability to adapt to temperature changes extends beyond individual thermoregulation. It also encompasses behavioral adjustments that optimize their chances of reproductive success. These intricate adaptations are made possible by the close integration of their circulatory and endocrine systems. One of the most intriguing aspects of anglerfish biology is their ability to adjust to variations in oxygen availability. When oxygen levels drop, the male and female anglerfish can increase their efficiency in extracting dissolved oxygen from the surrounding water. The fusion of male and female anglerfish is an evolutionary marvel that has fascinated scientists for generations. The male's transformation is not merely physical, it profoundly impacts his behavior, physiology, and very identity. The process of male anglerfish fusion is a breathtaking display of adaptation and sacrifice. In the perpetual darkness of the deep sea, the male anglerfish takes a bite that changes everything. The male's eyes, once essential for navigating the darkness, fade away, replaced by an intimate connection to the female's senses. As the male anglerfish undergoes his astonishing transformation, his skeletal structure ceases to define his individual form. With his eyes gone and his skeleton integrated, the male anglerfish enters a realm where sensations are shared and identities intertwine. The male anglerfish confronts the daunting challenge of evading the female's robust immune system, a formidable defense mechanism designed to protect her own genetic integrity. At the heart of this biological marvel lies the male anglerfish's remarkable ability to suppress the female SMU response. As the anglerfish dance of love and sacrifice continues, the male and female become increasingly reliant on each other for survival. What initially began as a pursuit of the elusive female anglerfish culminates in an extraordinary surrender. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight cannot reach and mysterious creatures thrive, the male anglerfish finds himself irresistibly drawn to the enigmatic female. And so the tale of the male anglerfish serves as a reminder of the boundless wonders that exist in our natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up for more amazing stories about nature.